Thank you so much, Raheem. That was an amazing story. Um, Clearly, and I'm glad you spoke about hard work because this is something Fariha and I, हमारे सारे shows में when we bring in people, it's really about there are no shortcuts. कोई कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, and that is maybe a night's sleep, and that's maybe working 18-hour days sometimes. So thank you very much for reiterating that. Fariha, over to you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Talat, and thank you, Ayaz and Sardar Rahim. It's a pleasure to have you with us. मेरा सवाल I think आपने दोनों ने थोड़ा सा you guys touched upon in terms of your initial days, how you started, and I think you took a lot of risks. So maybe I'll start from you, Rahim. You mentioned funding, limited funds, so you had the confidence, and you said, in fact, you said कि plan भी शायद इतना कोई खास नहीं था. So I think what would be interesting to know कि फिर funding किस तरह आई, and secondly, you've been in business since 1988, right? And it's the same question actually for you, Ayaz, also later on, once Rahim answers that, how are you sustaining yourself? And I'm sure you have seen good days, bad days, COVID happened. So a little bit about initial funding and sustaining your business.
Yeah, initial funding ऐसा था कि I had resigned from my work in Kuwait. I'd come back. जो थोड़े बहुत पैसे थे, we invested, myself and my brother Qayyum, we invested in a video shop, video cassettes and video games. तो मैं छुट्टी लेके आया था 3 महीने की. So we started that. First month we were looking for a shop. The second month we set up the shop. The third month we run the business. And 30,000 जैसे आज साहब ने कहा इनकी वो थी, मेरी इंडिविजुअल की 30,000 नेट इनकम हुई. तो मैंने कहा ये तो बहुत ठीक है, किचन एक्सपेंसेस इससे पूरे हो जाएंगे. सो वो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल और बढ़ गया. फिर मैं जाके रिजाइन करके वापस आ गया. And I had zero budget. Barbecue Tonight was started from, as far as I'm concerned, with zero capital. My brother Qayyum sold one of his shops and invested. तो हमने 2 दुकानें ली. फिर आस्ते आस्ते करके वो वीडियो शॉप भी चल रही थी. हमने थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट करके ब्रिक्स एंड मोटर खरीद के उसको ठीक किया. और तलत वुड नो कि बहुत ही सिंपल किस्म का वो था, लेआउट था एंड डेकोर था. बट देन माशाल्लाह चल गया पहले दिन से. तो देन इट स्टार्टेड. एंड जस्ट टू ऑन द साइड मैं मेंशन करना चाहता हूँ, आई स्टार्टेड अनदर बिजनेस, लेट्स से जो बाहर जितनी हमने फ्रेंचाइजीज खोली, दैट टू विद जीरो बजट, जीरो कैपिटल. खुद फ्रेंचाइज दी, कुछ पैसे मिले, फिर वो कंपनी बनाई और फिर आगे चलता गया. So actually, money is one resource. Your thought process, your capacity to work hard, your capacity to know your customer are more important in this business, I think.
Thank you, Rahim. थोड़ा सा आपका कैमरा I just like के थोड़ा सा adjust कर लें because we've just lost a little bit. It'll be nice to see you. Perfect. इसको
टैग लगा.
हाँ. So थोड़ा सा backtrack कर लें कि हाँ, money is one resource rather.
Money is just one resource. That's what I meant. There are other skills that you need to have to be successful in this business, at least. That's what I know. I don't know about other businesses.
Absolutely. And any impact of
COVID? Would agree with me. आप जब शुरू करते हो and you're struggling, आप अपने बच्चों की birthdays miss करते हो, आप अपने कजन्स की शादियां मिस करते हो, आप फैमिली जो गेट टुगेदर्स मिस करते हो. और जब जाके ये सक्सेस स्टोरी बनती है, लोगों को नजर नहीं आती कि इसके पीछे क्या है.
एंड कोविड पे क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ आपके बिजनेस पे, और हाउ आर यू गाइस मैनेजिंग इट?
कोविड इज ऑलमोस्ट वर्ल्ड वाइड है, तो यू कैन नॉट एस्केप इट. तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हम लोगों के लिए जो डिसीजन था वो ये था, हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर एम्प्लॉइज, बिकॉज एम्प्लॉइज आर योर बिगेस्ट एसेट. सो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी पेड आवर एम्प्लॉइज फॉर अबाउट 5.5 months. घर बैठे हुए, बिजनेस बंद था ना, फिर भी वी पेड देम. एंड उसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि आई मीन और we treat our staff as our family. तो वो relationship हमने maintain की and we survived that. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अभी जरा कम हो रहा है तो इंशाल्लाह ठीक हो जाएगा. We quite
Thank you
hopeful.
so much.
और
Thank you.
ये एक इसी किस्म का एक वो था टॉक शो था जिसमें मैंने ये कहा था कि सबसे ज़्यादा एडवर्सली इफेक्ट जो है रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस होगा कोविड में और जब ये ख़त्म होगा सबसे ज़्यादा बूम भी रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस करेगा.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Rahim. And I think it's a great story, and especially on funding, because you're right. A lot of people don't start their business thinking कि हमारे पास तो पैसे नहीं है क्या करें. And you've proven that without money you can start if you have the determination, idea, and as you're saying, hard work and pursue your dream. So Ayaz, what's your story? And again, generating cash, funding, etc.
Now looking back, these early 21 years ago, now I think that anybody who has too much money will be in trouble. I mean, that's my thing. But entrepreneurs starting up, if you have a lot of money, you're in big trouble. And thank God we didn't have money. Because what happens, we become top heavy. And probably we would have never made it. People spend a lot of money because they started opening either a restaurant or some other business. They will overspend it. They're passionate about designs and things like this. So, of course, I didn't realize then. I mean, I had a lot of difficulty. And, I didn't have enough money. In fact, 3 months into the business, I had about 300,000 left. So I said, okay, let's see. If it doesn't work, I go back. I had a job to go back to work. So the thing is that I just focus on quality. There was no accounting done. I didn't have any accountant come close to me. Which I tell because your focus, people start and they set up cost controlling, they set up so many other things. And they put so much money into the design and things like this. I didn't even have money for the kitchen. So I was telling my cooks, I said, let's do Pakistani and we'll see how we can build up a European kitchen. And later on, I said, okay. So I found out these burners. I said they cost 250,000. How much? 250 rupees for a burner. So that's how I got them. And they said, oh, that doesn't look good. I said, well, you need a fire, So that's all that matters. So I mean, people who are starting business, it's the spark that's more important. They don't need to worry about funding. They just need a little bit of money, it'll come. So I sustained, I mean, when I was opening, there were restaurants like New York Cafe and La Cucina, and they had spent 3-4 crores. And I said, I have no money. Like I started with 1.8 million rupees, with the help, of course, from the family, some from the sister, and then the money I had from my work in Egypt. So I would say that no, money is not important. I mean, you have to have the spark, and it will slowly come. So what happens is like people now think they want to invest, big place, big restaurant. No, even barbecue tonight, Okra was never a big, and no business starts big. If you think you're going to start big, you're going to fail. So we were slow, and we did about. I had to sustain through when I started the European in 3-4 months. I was able to see some money coming in, but it was all reinvested. The actual money I didn't see till about 18 months. So that's how long it takes. Yeah.
So well done, and slow and steady wins the race, I guess. That's what the underlying message listening from both of you.